Hi, curious about clearing? Let's see how easy it can be with Bangor University.
Good morning, Bangor University Clearing Helpline. How can I help?
Hi, I've just got my results. They weren't quite what I expected. Could I be considered for clearing at Bangor?
Yeah, of course. I just need a few details from you.
Sure, this is my name, these are my subjects and grades, and this is my UCAS ID number.
Amazing, thanks. We can definitely offer you a place. I'm just gonna need a few more details from you.
That's great. What details do you need from me?
Great, can I have your date of birth, your email address and your contact number, please?
Cool, here's my date of birth and contact information.
Amazing. You'll soon receive an email from us confirming your place. Then you'll need to go to your UCAS hub and add Bangor University as your clearing choice. We'll then send you information about the guaranteed accommodation and opportunities for you to visit us during an open day. Thank you so much for calling us. We can't wait to welcome you in September. Have a great day.
It's that simple.